Hello, this is EL6303 homework 9. For the first problem, first we need to get the mean of YT. So we already know that the YT is equal to WT minus 1 for T is more than or equal to 1, and we know that the mean of WT is equal to 0. So we have the mean of YT equals to the mean of WT minus 1. So this is equals to 0. And then we have R, T1 and T2 with respect to Y. So this one is equal to the mean of WT1 minus WT1 minus 1 times WT2 minus WT2 minus 1. And we can rewrite this as alpha, the mean of the mean value of T1 and T2, and the minimum minus the minimum value of T1. This is actually compute this equation, so quite intuitive. So we know that there's like four point on the number axis. So we already have T1 and T2 and T1 minus 1 and T2 minus 1. So actually there can be only 4 cases for this. So finally we have RT1 and T2 with respect to Y. This one is 0 when the absolute value of Ty minus T2 is more than 1, and this one is alpha 1 minus the absolute value of T1 minus T2 when this term is less than or equal to 1. And we can rewrite this as R tau. So we have R tau is 0 when the absolute value of tau is more than 1, and it equals to alpha 1 minus the absolute value of tau when the absolute value of tau is less than or equal to 1. So we have proved that the YT is WSS.